Stop scrolling for just a second. You've seen the ads, you've heard the hype, but is this really a way to make money online, build a work from home business, and earn affiliate commissions, or is it just another scam? Stick with me because by the end you'll see my actual payouts, how HBA stacks up against other programs, the bonus I'm personally covered out of my own pocket, and my #1 hack that turns one program into multiple streams of recurring income. This is the Home Business Academy affiliate program review, scam, or legit. Let's go. Here's the problem. Most so-called make money online programs collapse under their own promises. High fees, recycled training, no support. So why should HBA be any different? I didn't stop at the sales page. I tested it, joined the community, and compared it against other programs I've been a part of. And what I found might surprise you. In just a minute, I'll show my actual payouts, not theory, real proof. HBA has two core products. The Funnel Builder tool, which is at $25 a month, a leaner, faster, cheaper ClickFunnels, and the premium membership, which is $125 a month. The Funnel Builder tool is only $25, which the premium membership includes daily masterminds, traffic training, and community support. The affiliate side, HBA pays 80% commissions residually every single month, and they pay weekly every Friday. One Funnel Builder sale nets you $20. And if someone takes both, you're at $120 a month for every single person. Compare that to industry standard of 20 to 40% commissions paid monthly. That's a huge difference. Now let's talk proof. Within my first 30 days inside of HBA, I was already in profit. That's not theory, that's my real experience. And again, I'll show you proof if you just stick with me. And just recently I had another commission from the Let's Go app. Drop straight into my bank account. I didn't have to hit anything automatically. No chasing, no extra steps, no waiting. It just hit. And honestly, that's one of the best feelings in the world. Checking your account and realize your phone just paid you instead of the other way around. I joke with friends that my bank account is starting to feel like a slot machine. Except that this one pays out consistently. Here's the part most people overlook. When you pair that Let's Go app with the HBA Funnel Builder, it becomes my #1 hack. Why? Because every time a team member of yours adds both, you're stacking an extra $28 commission month after month. That's reliable, recurring income layered on top of HBA's core products. You're not just building funnels, you're building a system that pays you multiple streams of income from the same team. That's leverage. That's duplication, and that's how you scale. That's how you turn one program into a recurring income stack. Now let me share a quick story. A beginner joined HBA, jumped on the daily coaching calls, and within 48 hours had their first funnel live. Within 30 days, they made their first commission, kind of like me, right? Not overnight riches, but proof the system works if you work it. That's the difference between hype and framework. HBA versus ClickFunnels, $25 versus $97 minimum. HBA versus Wealthy Affiliate, daily mentorship versus forum chaos. HBA versus Random Guru courses, recurring payouts versus one-time commissions. The difference isn't just price, it's support, payout structure, and community culture. Is this MLM? No. It's a single tier affiliate program. You get paid for direct referrals, not for recruiting recruiters. Isn't $125 too expensive? One premium sale covers the cost. 2 sales and you're in straight profit. Let's do the math. 2 premium sales equals $200 commission. That's already $75 profit after covering your membership. 10 sales is $1,000. 100 sales is $10,000 per month. And let me just say, let's say you have 50 $25 sales of $25 systems. So that's $20 times 50 is $1,000. And let's say you just have 20 of the $100 commissions. That's $3,000. 2,000 and 1,000 is $3,000 a month. And that's not pie in the sky. It's simple multiplication. The question isn't, does it work? The question is, are you willing to do the work consistently enough to hit your number? What if I'm a beginner? That's where the coaching calls come in. You're not left alone. Do they pay daily? No. HBA pays weekly every Friday. Still far more consistent than programs that pay monthly or quarterly. Imagine checking your account every Friday and seeing commissions stack up, but only if you put in the work. The system will work, but will you work it? And here's where I make this a no-brainer. If you lock arms with me at the $25 level in HBA, I'm personally covering the cost of the Simple Freedom Warriors training program out of my own pocket. And I'm going to show you how that insane results from that. That means you'll get access to a system that shows the exact daily steps to dominate YouTube and consistently rank on the first page of Google. It's the same program I use myself every single day to generate traffic, leads, and sales for any offer, any program. You're not paying extra for it. I'm investing in you. And here's the kicker. Your members and future members get trained too. That means duplication, leverage, and growth without you carrying the whole load. You're not just joining HBA, you're plugging into a proven program plus a mentor who's committed to your success. Now, I'm going to show you this actually works, and works like gangbusters, okay? So as you can see, I am not logged in. I'm incognito. This is Google Home Business Academy DFY marketing system. Guess who is number 1, number 2, number 3 in the whole for this whole phrase? 1, 2, and 3. And who's this Instagram JJ Solly? Let's check it out. Come on. Come. Show my name. Face. Okay, boom. Just showed you what I was talking about. So I'm going to show you real quick results. DFY marketing system on YouTube. My system is not working with me today. But look at this. Look at all my JK. Make money online with JJ. There's another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. And another one. Don't think about me. There's another one. Think about you and your team dominating YouTube. I'm going to show you more. The Funnel Home Business Review, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8. Again, this could be you. Let's Go App Review. Number 2 on Google. The Let's Go App Review on YouTube, which is not loading. I don't know why my internet's so slow right now. Let's try it again. Bear with me. Maybe we'll cut this part. It's a little short. I'm going to let that load, and I'm going to go to another term while that loads. And my internet's completely slow right now. So Home Business Academy Premium. There's number 4 from 13 hours ago. Today's video, right? And you can see that one's still loading. Just the Home Business Academy on YouTube, okay? The main keyword. Guess what? 5 days ago. And here's 13 hours ago. Home Business Academy, 13 hours ago, today's video. Are you getting the light bulb in front of your head right now? Is the light bulb, is it working? Are you understanding the power of this? What I'm showing you is you and your team can dominate for any phrase, for any keyword, in any company. If you get this training, we have the best bonus. I have the best bonus actually because I'm paying for it out of my own pocket. I'm investing in you. If you lock arms with me at the $25 level, I will give you this on a silver platter. I'm giving you this, and you can earn anywhere from $15 to $1,500 and get your people trained in any system on how to dominate YouTube, okay? Here's the Home Business Academy compensation plan from 1 day ago. And there I am, number 4, I think, or number 3. Okay, so look at this e-wallet, $34.50. Remember these numbers, because I'm going to actually show my online bank account. $34.50, okay, from the Home Business Academy. I don't know what's going on with my internet, but bear with me. $83.05 and $6.50. Now look, $34.50, $6.50, and $83.05. All deposits into my account. And this $6.50 automatically came, I didn't have to cash out. It automatically came to my bank account. So is it a scam? No. Is it for everyone? No. If you're chasing overnight riches, you'll be disappointed. But if you want mentorship, community, and a payout structure that rewards consistency, then yes, it's legit. And it could be the foundation you've been looking for. Stop the scroll. Wait before you click away. This is the moment that matters most. You've seen the proof, you've seen the comparisons, and you've seen the bonus. You've seen the training that you can get to dominate YouTube and even Google. For any keyword, for any company, we have the training that everybody else is scared, either scared or doesn't know. Scared to teach you or doesn't know. We're going to teach you attraction marketing. We're going to teach you how to dominate for any keyword, okay? And you've seen the bonus that I'm personally covering out of my own pocket. Plus, you know my number 1 hack. Pairing the Let's Go app with the HBA Funnel Builder, which pays $28 commission month after month for every team member who adds both. The only thing left for you to do is to take action so you can start building traffic, leads, and sales with a system that actually works. This has been the Home Business Academy Affiliate Program Review, scam or legit. And I want to show you a few things about HBA that's really cool. It says, don't wait for your ship to come in, swim to it. Bear with me, I don't know why my internet, but I'm going to refresh it so it won't be like this tomorrow. I want to show you. This Let's Go app is pretty cool, but Funnel Builder Academy, they actually, if I can actually load the page, they actually pay for starving children's meals for starving children. It doesn't look like it's going to load, but what an amazing thing they do for the kids. Starving children, they feed starving children, and they've been in this company's been around for about 8 to 10 years. So this is JJ Sully, aka John Sully, aka your friendly neighborhood Sully man. Don't delay, get with JJ today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.